Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Secret St. Martin Resort and Spa in St. Martin on the French side of the island. And I'm going to take you on a little bit of a room tour here. We are in a garden view room. We are preferred club level, so I'll show you that in another video. You can see the club, but if you want to see what the room looks like, stick around. Okay, so as you walk through the door to the room here on the right-hand side will be the first closet. And this is a really large closet. There's no shelving or anything in here. And so you have plenty of room for hanging up your things. If you have dresses, that kind of thing, there's plenty of room in there. And the light comes on automatically, which is nice. Okay. And as you continue in, the bathroom is going to be on the left-hand side, and then the mini bar and stuff is on the right. So let's go on into the bathroom, and you'll see the shower here. And so you have a rain head shower right here, which is really nice. It's just a half wall shower, so you just walk right in. There's no like soap or anything on the wall right here, because I'll show you that in a minute. You got your towels, and then you've got some waters here with some shower gel, body lotion. That's nice. That's a really large thing of body lotion. And then shampoo, which is really nice because we did carry on only, so we brought minimal. And then a bar of soap. Got a shower cap and a vanity kit, a couple of wash rags, some glasses. They have a scale down here because who does not want to weigh themselves when they are at a all-inclusive resort where you're eating all the things? But if you do want to weigh yourself, there's one right there. So you have some Kleenex. They do use the European plugs here, so you want to make sure that you bring an adapter, or you won't be able to charge anything or plug anything in. There's a little makeup vanity mirror right here. You can hang your robes up right here. And then the toilet area is separate here. And it's just like a half glass wall right here. And then over to the mini bar here. So you have a coffee maker, you have a couple of waters, some coffee pods, creamers, cups, and they do leave, there was another bag of peanuts, peanut M&Ms here, snacks, and they are included in the price. So they'll refill those every day. You've got a couple of wine glasses and regular glasses there. And then underneath here is your mini bar. And they do replenish this. There's nothing fancy about it. There's like some sodas, a beer or two, and some waters, but it's included, it's there, and they do replenish that every day. And then over here to the right, there is another closet, and this is gonna have your hair dryer, which has their plug that they use there. It's just the 2-prong. And then what is this? We've got a mending kit in case you need to do some sewing while you're here. And a shoe polisher. That's fancy. And then you have your safe here. And then over here you get 2 plush bathrobes if you'd like to use those during your stay, and then some shelving if you want to put your shoes or just any other things that you'd like to store. And then I did want to point out that over here on the bathroom, there are sliding doors that do close. So you can have a little privacy there. But I'll say this, there's still glass right here. So it's not complete privacy, but it's there. And then moving on over to the bed areas. So you do have a curtain here, which I guess would give you more privacy. But most people here are adults and they're couples, so they're totally fine with that. There's this, I'm not really sure what this does. I guess this has more information about the hotel. It's like a little iPad Kindle type situation. The thing that I do like, and I wasn't really expecting, is they do have USB chargers. So if you don't have a adapter for that, you can use USBs as long as they work. I haven't tested them out yet to see if they work, but they're there. And then you have some little reading lights. And then I guess you can hang things on those maybe. But anyway, so you have a desk right here with some sitting space. You have some more charging areas there. Then you have drawers. So we've got our things in there. But there's 3 drawers here. A television. You have a table and chairs over here so that you can order room service and eat. And then over here you have a little sofa with a table. And then same thing here on this side, you'll have the phone, some more USBs. I love that there's USBs on both sides. That's really handy. And that's the word handy. Apparently I say that quite often in my videos, so I apologize for that. It's my word, I guess. You do get room service. Information is right here as well. And then there's another one of these curtains that you can close for privacy. And then I'll take you out and show you the view really quickly. And they do have these doors that you can, shutters that you can close, which are kind of nice. I think those are probably hurricane shutters. Don't know if anybody would ever shut them otherwise, but, and then this is our view. So we have a pool down here. This is not the main pool. It's just a regular pool. I'm assuming those are swim out suites down there where you can have that right off of your patio. The main pool is down there. There's the grounds. The beach is that way as well. So it's just a garden view. Pretty basic, but so yeah, so that is the room tour. And that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure if you like videos like this that you like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss another video. Until next time, we'll see you later.